Please note that to establish the ideal size or appropriate size of logo, you must determine the needed size of logo. I can define the needed size of logo as the rendered logo size in browser on most popular screen resolution. Initially create and upload a test logo in large dimensions. You can create logo in any higher pixels. For example, for Dozero website, I created 1500 by 414 pixel size logo. Now open your website on computer, preferably on a screen with resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels because it is the most popular screen resolution. Upload the logo to your website and test it by shrinking and enlarging it again and again. Decide where it looks best. Alternatively, you can follow my formula for deciding the visual size of website logo. My formula is about size matching between website logo and navigation text. In fact, if width and height values are logged, then you can control the size of logo or any image through single dimension of either height or width. So, in this case, we are controlling the logo size through height. So, my formula is simple. Double the height of logo from that of navigation text. Please do not worry if your navigation menu text is in REM or EM values and not available in pixels. According to Microsoft, the 1 EM displayed is equal to 16 pixels. You can see that paragraph 2 is applied for navigation menu text and the size of paragraph 2 is 1.2 REM, which is equal to around 20 pixels. So our logo should have a height of around 40 pixels. So let's resize the height of Dozero logo to 40 pixels. Here is the 40 pixels. You can see how it looks relative to navigation text. After deciding the visual physical size, note down the exact numerical pixel size of logo. If pixel sizes of width and height are not visible in your website editor, then publish the site, open your site in browser, right click on the logo, click inspect and see the logo dimensions in DevTools. The browser also shows the intrinsic or original size of logo. The rendered size of logo in browser for Dozero logo is 145 by 40 pixels. So this rendered size on most popular screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels is the needed size for Dozero logo. However, needed size of website logo cannot be the ideal size logo due to many factors such as your visitors can open your website on multifarious screen resolutions as well as some low vision people may require zooming in your website page for accessibility. Therefore, though the needed size for Dozero logo was 145 by 40 pixels, but I downloaded it in 210 by 58 pixels, which in my opinion is the ideal size for Dozero logo. I will discuss it in detail in the next video. Hey guys, I'm Irfan Hayat, founder of Dozero. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. You will learn here everything about e-business. That's it for me. Thank you so much for your time.